Hello students, I hope that you all are doing well and by the time you have learned 3 chapters from your English literature. Today we are going to move on to our next topic, that is articles. It is very important topic. In previous classes like class 5, class 6, you have taken the reading of articles. You must know that the words a, an and the are called articles. Now, introduction. Articles are words that define nouns as specific or unspecific. They are used to modify nouns which are persons, places, objects, or ideas. Usually, adjectives modify nouns through description, but articles are used instead to point out or refer to nouns. Students, there are 3 articles in English, a and the. They can be classified into 2 categories. First is indefinite article and second is definite article. So first of all, what is the definition of indefinite articles? Let's see. Person or thing that is not identified or specified. Or second point is they means a or an. A or an are indefinite articles. They don't point out any particular thing or person. 2 examples are here. I need a pen or give me a pen. Pen is not a particular thing and it is not introduced already. Now, definition of definite article. The is called the definite article. It is used to describe someone or something specific or unique. In other words, we can say that to be clear, exact, or obvious about something, it is used in relation to a particular thing or person, or it also indicates that the noun is specific. For example, please return me the pen that I gave you. Here we use the article. The, I have told you the is definite article. Here we use the because it is already introduced. It is already introduced. I gave you pen. Now I ask you that please return me the pen that I gave you. Like the same way, this is the bag that you gifted me. It means bag. Bag is already introduced. Another example, a thirsty crow found a pitcher. As in junior classes, you have taken the reading of a thirsty crow. Here is some lines. A thirsty crow found a pitcher, pitcher means ghada, that contained some water. The clever crow. A thirsty crow, the clever crow means the article is used for the same crow that is already introduced. Like the same way, the clever crow picked up some pebbles or stones in his beak and dropped them one by one into the pitcher. Pitcher means pitcher is introduced. Now here second time. So we will use a pitcher for the first time and second time we use the pitcher. Logic is here. Crow is introduced already or pitcher is all introduced already. That is why the article is used. Now, vowel and consonant are phonetic terms. They refer to sounds, not to letters. Now, use of articles a, an. Article a is used before a singular countable noun with a consonant, like consonant sound as a book, a table, a boy, a girl. Means these are singular countable noun. Before a certain numerical expression as a dozen, a million, a lot of, etc. Later we will use these words into sentences. Third number, with a noun complement as she is a famous dancer. Before a syllable with the sound of zoo or you, a European, a union, a university, etc. Article an is used before a singular number beginning with the sound of a vowel, like an elephant, an uncle, an umbrella, etc. Before a word beginning with a silent H, an hour, an honest person, etc. Before abbreviations beginning with a consonant sound, an MBA, an SP, an MP. See here, M. The sound is A, M, S, M. So we use an with these abbreviations. Sometimes we do mistakes. With a noun complement as it is an interesting story. Note number 1. The terms vowel and consonant are phonetic terms. They refer to sounds. They refer to sounds, not to letters. We see the sound of the word, not we see the letters. That letter is A, E, I, O, U or B, C, E, D, E to Z. Means not consonant, not vowels. We have to see the sounds. We prefer sound, not to letters. Don't use a and an before plural number. For example, dogs. No need to write a or an. As you know also, dogs bark at night. With uncountable nouns like water, a water is a mistake. They take water, they take coffee. Okay. Abstract nouns, beauty is truth, honesty is the best policy. So these are the abstract noun. We should not use a or an before plural numbers, uncountable nouns and abstract nouns. Thank you.